Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 14 Neo, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So today in this video I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number. Basically you can block the number which is currently saved on your contacts, so your contact, and the second way will show you how to block a number which is not saved, so it is a more manual way, I would say. Let's start with the first way, so let's open your contact list. Let's tap on the dialer, for example, and then find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Of course, your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so simply tap on block to confirm, and as you can see we've got this characteristic icon, the information that this number has been blocked. Of course we can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist, because this is the section which we will enter in our second way of blocking the number. So here it does not really matter whether it will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Now in the general section we've got blocked numbers, so let's tap, and here we've got our blacklist, and this is the number we just blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, this option also works. And as I said that the second way is more manual, it is because here we've got this add a number option. So after tapping on it, we will be able to simply enter the number in this section. Of course, you can paste it if you've got it copied, and then tap on block, and as you can see, your device will immediately apply it on the blacklist, which means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Here we've got also this unknown option, and just by tapping on the switcher you can activate that, so your device will be allowed to block all incoming calls from all unidentified callers. So it may be useful, but not always. It's up to you, you can turn it off the same way, and if you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.